A Walmart account lockout is usually triggered by multiple failed login attempts, a password reset issue, or an automatic security check designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. By the end of this video, you'll know how to regain access safely, and what to do if the normal recovery steps don't work. Start by identifying why you're locked out. If you recently entered the wrong password several times, stop trying to sign in repeatedly. Continuing to guess passwords can keep the account locked longer or trigger additional security checks. The fastest fix is to use the eForgot password in option on the Walmart sign-in page. Follow the password reset instructions sent to your registered email address, create a new password, and then try signing in again with the updated credentials. If Walmart asks for a verification code but you never receive it, confirm that your phone number and email address are correct. Check your spam or junk folder if you're expecting an email, and make sure your phone has a working cellular connection if you're waiting for a text message. Next, try signing in from a different platform. If you're locked out in the Walmart app, use a web browser instead. If the website isn't working, try the mobile app. This helps determine whether the problem is with your account or a specific version of the service. If you are using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Then completely close it and reopen it. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupted temporary files that may interfere with authentication. You should also verify that you're using the correct email address. Many people accidentally sign into a different Walmart account created with another email address, Apple Sign-In, or Google Sign-In, making it appear that their original account is inaccessible. Avoid using public Wi-Fi while recovering your account. Switching to a trusted home network or mobile data can reduce connection problems during the login and verification process. If you've recently changed your phone number or no longer have access to your registered email address, standard recovery may not work. In that situation, you'll need Walmart customer care to verify your identity and help update your account information. If none of these steps restore access, contact Walmart customer care directly. Be ready to provide the email address associated with the account and any recent order information that helps verify your identity. The quickest path back into your account is to stop repeated login attempts, reset your password, verify your contact information, test another device or browser, and contact support if recovery still fails. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.